Hi boy, welcome the videos. How to fix error in Fortnite. Okay. First solution. Let's go control panel. Select network and internet. Select this option. Let's go change configuration adapter. Select option. Click right on connection. Okay. Select properties option. Select internet version 4. Select properties option. Select full option. Use next Denise. Select this option. Accept option. Use one zero one and select this option and accept options. Accept option. Second solution. Let's go CMD. Right CMD. Click right and select Run as Administrator. Write next command. Next ink IP receipt. C reset lock. Okay. Press enter. Now write nick winsock reset. Press enter. Now write ip config flush Denise. Press enter. After write exit and restart PC. Okay. Thanks for watching the videos, boys. Share the videos. Bye bye.